Jai Swaminarayan friends. Now we continue the general formula method, Sridhar Acharya formula. In this video lecture we discuss the seventh sum. First sum right here, root 3x square minus 5x plus 2 root 3 equal to 0. Compare this equation by this quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0, right? Compare this. In any one sum, first step is this one. So a equal to root 3, b equal to minus 5, c equal to 2 root 3. Is that clear? Okay. Now first we find discrimination. b equal to b square minus 4ac. b square minus 5 square, 4 into root 3 into 2 root 3. Okay. Now 5 square is 25, 4 2s are 8, root 3 into root 3, 3. So 25 minus 24, answer is 1. This is your positive answer. Okay. And 1 is the perfect square number. So root d equal to square root of 1 is 1. Here answer is perfect square and positive. So we write here statement. Which one? What's the statement? So the roots are real. Therefore, two roots are possible and both the roots are real roots. Clear? Here we do not write a statement, but you understood? In your examination, compulsory we write here statement. In your examination, compulsory we write here statement. Therefore, discrimination greater than 0. Therefore, the roots are real. Okay? Clear? Now root d equal to 1. 1 is the perfect square number. Now we find alpha beta. Alpha beta minus b plus minus root d upon 2a. Okay? b equal to minus 5 minus 5 plus minus root d equal to 1, then 2 a equal to root 3, a equal to root 3. Now splitting here, alpha equal to again alpha beta minus minus plus 5 plus minus 1 upon 2 root 3. Now splitting 1, alpha equal to 5 plus 1, 6 upon 2 root 3, and beta equal to 5 minus 1, 4 upon 2 root 3. First we calculate this one. So beta equal to 2 by root 3. Then here 2 3s are. So alpha equal to 3 upon root 3. Here splitting the numerator, root 3 into root 3 upon root 3. Cancel. So answer is root 3. This is your two real roots. Alpha equal to root 3 and beta equal to 2 upon root 3. Clear? Okay. This is your general formula method, Sridhar Acharya formula. First we find discrimination. If d greater than 0, then we write here statement. Two roots are real. Clear and distinct. Two roots are real and distinct. Okay. Now we discuss third sum. Third one. Okay. Root 5x square minus 2 root 2x minus 2 root 5 equal to 0. Compare this quadratic equation. A equal to root 5. B equal to minus 2 root 2. And c equal to minus 2 root 5. Clear? Okay. Now we find delta. Otherwise d, delta or d. Any one word you can use it. Okay. Discrimination. B square minus 2 root 2 square minus 4 into root 5 into minus 2 root 5. Okay, now 2 square is 4, root 2 square is 2. Okay, now here minus minus plus 4 2s are 8, root 5 into root 5, 5. 4 2s are 8. 8 5s are 40. Answer is 48 greater than 0. Therefore, two roots are possible, otherwise two roots are in R, real. Okay. Now we find the square root. Here we also find the square root. Square root of 48, not a complete perfect square. Here splitting the number 48, 16 3s are 16 3s are. Now square root of 16 is 4 and 3 square root of 3 is not possible. Okay, so root D answer is 4 root 3. Clear? Now we find alpha beta. Here we write the formula minus b plus minus root D upon 2a. Now b equal to what? Minus 2 root 2. Minus 2 root 2. Plus minus root D equal to 4 root 3 upon 2. A equal to root 5. Okay. Minus minus plus 2 root 2 plus minus 4 root 3 upon 2 root 5. Is that clear? Our question is sum by mistake. Equal to, now first of all 2 common. First of all 2 common. So root 2 plus minus 2 root 3 upon 2 root 5. 2 common, cancel. So your answer alpha beta equal to root 2 plus minus 2 root 3 upon root 5. This is your final answer. Alpha equal to root 2 plus 2 root 3 upon root 5. Beta equal to root 2 minus 2 root 3 upon root 5. Is that clear? Okay. Now we discuss fourth sum. Root 3x square plus 2x minus root 3 equal to 0. Now compare here. A equal to root 3. B equal to 2. And C equal to minus root 3. Okay. First we find D equal to B square minus 4AC. So 2 square minus 4 into root 3 into minus root 3. 2 square is 4. Here minus, so minus minus first. Plus. Clear? 4 as it is. Root 3 into root 3. 3. So 4 plus 12. Answer is 16 greater than 0. Therefore, two distinct real roots are possible. Two distinct real roots are possible if discrimination greater than 0. We write the compulsory statement here. So now we take square root. Root D equal to 4. Square root of 16 is 4. Now put this value here. Minus B plus minus root D. B equal to 2. So here minus 2 plus minus root D equal to 4 upon 2. A equal to root 3. Okay. Now alpha and beta, we are splitting the here alpha and beta. Minus 2 plus 4 upon 2 root 3. Beta equal to minus 2 minus 4 upon 2 root 3. Now 4 is the bigger. So 4 minus 2, 2 upon root 3. 2 upon 2 root 3. Right? 2 cancel. Alpha equal to 1 by root 3. Okay? Now here beta equal to, both the number have same sign. So addition the number. 4 plus 2, 6 upon 2 root 3. 2 3s are 6. So beta equal to minus 3 upon root 3. Splitting this number. Minus sign as it is. Root 3 equal to 3 equal to root 3 into root 3 upon root 3. Cancel. So second answer, second zeros are beta equal to minus root 3. Alpha equal to 1 upon root 3 and beta equal to minus root 3. Is that clear? Okay. Now we solve the sixth number. 3x square plus 5 root 2x plus 2 equal to 0. A equal to 3. B equal to 5 root 2. C equal to 2. Now first we find D equal to B square minus 4AC. B square 5 root 2 square. 4, a equal to 3, c equal to 2. 5 square is 25, root 2 square is 2. 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24. 25 2s are 50, 50 minus 24. So discrimination is 26 greater than 0. Clear? Again repeat. Our question is 3x square plus 5 root 2x plus 2. 3x square plus 5 root 2x plus 2 equal to 0. A equal to 3, b equal to 5 root 2 and c equal to 2. Discrimination b square minus 4ac, b square 5 root 2 square minus 4. A and c. 4 3s are 12, 2s are 24. 5 square is 25, root 2 square is 2. 25 2s are 50. 50 minus 24. Answer is 26. Here 26 is not a perfect square number. So, but answer is positive. So, we write here statement 2 distinct real roots are possible. Okay. So, root d equal to root 26. Clear? Okay. Now, put your value alpha beta b equal to 5 root 2. So, here minus 5 root 2 plus root d equal to root 26 upon 2 a equal to 3. So, here not possible, simplify. Plus minus root 26 upon 6. Clear? Here you do not try to simplify because this is your final answer. Okay? Clear? Now we discuss fifth sum. Here x square minus 1 upon x square plus 1 equal to 4 upon 5. First we simplify and then we get quadratic equation. Right? Now first cross multiplication. 5 multiply by here and x square plus 1 multiply by here. So 5x square plus 5 equal to 4x square plus 4. Okay. Now 4x square in left side. So 5 minus 4 only x square. Again 5 minus 4. Right here. 5x square minus 5. So right. So 4 is negative, minus 4 minus 5, 9 equal to 0. Our standard form is x square. Here term of x is not given, so we write here 0x because we write a standard equation. So x square plus 0x minus 9 equal to 0. This is our standard form. We directly factorize here, but our question is general formula method. So we do not direct the factorization. Clear? Otherwise some wrong. Okay? Now compare here 1x square. Now compare here. A equal to 1, B equal to 0, C equal to minus 9. Now find discrimination. B square minus 4AC. B is the 0. Minus 4 into 1 into minus 9. Okay. So minus minus plus. 0 not necessary. 4 9s are 36. Again discrimination greater than 0, therefore two distinct real roots are possible. Okay, and 36 is a perfect square number, so root d equal to 6. Clear? Now put value here. B equal to 0, so this one says 0. Plus minus root d equal to 6 upon 2. A equal to 1. So our answer 0 is not necessary. So plus minus 6 upon 2. 2 3s are 6. So alpha equal to 3 and beta equal to minus 3. Okay. Now 7th sum. X plus 2 into x plus 3 equal to 240. First we open the bracket. X is multiplied by this 2. So x square plus 3x. X is multiplied by x multiplied by 3. Now 2 multiplied by x, 2x. 2 multiplied by 3, 6. Now 240, we take left side, 240 equal to, so we write x square plus 3 plus 2, 5x, and 240 minus 6 is 234. Okay. Now compare. A equal to 1, B equal to 5, C equal to minus 234. Now find discrimination. B square minus 4AC. P equal to 5. 4 into 1 into minus 234. 5 square is 25. Minus minus plus. 4 ones are 4. 4 multiplied by 234. 4 fours are 16, 1 carry on, 23 4s are 92 plus 1, 93. Okay, 6 plus 5, 11, 4 plus 2, 6, and here 9. So discrimination D greater than 0. So two distinct real roots are possible. Now 961 is a perfect square. What's the square root of 961? 31, because 900 square root of 900 is 30, right? And you can check it, 31 into 31. 31 multiplied by 31, 0. 3 3s are 9, and 31 again, 961. Okay, nearest to 900. So because his square root is 31. Now you put here minus b, so minus 5. Plus minus root d equal to 31 upon 2, a equal to 1. Now splitting here, minus 5 plus 31 upon 2, beta equal to minus 5 minus 31 upon 2. 31 is the bigger, 31 minus 5, 26 upon 2. So alpha equal to 30. Now both the number have same sign, minus 36 upon 2. So beta equal to minus 18. Okay. So alpha equal to 13 and beta equal to minus 18. Clear? Now we discuss second number, x plus 4, x plus 5 equal to 3 into x plus 1, x plus 2 plus 12x. First open this bracket left side and right side. Now x multiply by these two. So x square plus 5x. 4 multiply by here. 4x plus 4 5s are 20. X square plus 5x. 4x plus 20. Now here 3 as it is. Now x multiply by these two terms. So x square plus 2x. 1 multiply by these two terms. So as it is x plus 2. And here we write here 12x. Okay. Now x square 5 plus 4, 9x plus 20. Here we write x square, 2x plus 1x, 3x plus 2 plus 12x. Now x square plus 9x plus 20. Open the bracket. 3x square, 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, and 12x. Okay. Now 1x square. Now we take in right side. 3 minus 1, 2x square. Now in right side 12 plus 9, 21 positive. Now cancel directly. So 12x as it is. Okay. Now 20 in right side. 6 minus 20. So minus 14 equal to 0. Now whole equation is divisible by 2. Therefore our quadratic equation 1x square plus 6x minus 7 equal to 0. Clear? Now compare a equal to 1, b equal to 6, c equal to minus 7. Okay? Now we find discrimination. d equal to b square minus 4ac. b equal to 6 minus 4 into 1 into minus 7. Okay? So here 36 minus minus plus 4 7s are 28. 8 plus 6 14. 3 plus 3 6. So again here d greater than 0. This is your perfect square number. So two distinct real roots are possible. Now alpha beta minus b plus minus root d upon 2a. b equal to what? 6. Plus minus here root d equal to 8, because square root of 64 equal to 8 upon 2. A equal to 1. Okay, now splitting. Alpha equal to minus 6 plus 8 upon 2. Beta equal to minus 6 minus 8 upon 2. Here 8 is the bigger. So 8 minus 6, 2 by 2. So alpha equal to 1. Here both have negative sign. So sum of these two number minus 14 by 2. So beta equal to minus 7. Is that clear? Okay. Any doubt about it? No. Okay, thank you very much.